Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd make an update video to the one that I made with my previous tires. So these are the new ones. These are the Cooper SCT Pro 315 7017s. This is what it looks like on a 2.5-inch lift. It's a AEV lift kit with the Bolstein 5100 shocks. I have exactly the same rims as last time. So they are a -12 offset, 17-inch. That's kind of how it sticks out. Looks way more in proportion, in my opinion, to last time. Still running the stock fenders. Haven't noticed so much rubbing. Maybe once or twice at like really full flex, but that's kind of how it looks. And I try to come back to the same spot as last time, but it's a lot more sunny today. So yeah, this look is a lot better. These, compared to last time, these are also mud terrains. Last time it was all terrains. So you can see that bit of like chunky tread. Looks pretty good on the Jeep. I think a two-door just looks so nice with this size tire. I was able to fit the tire. Even though I've got this bumper, it like pretty much rests on the bottom, which is actually quite cool because it will give the tailgate a bit of support while I'm driving. And overall, I'm really happy. My OCD can have a rest now because in proportion. Shot guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.